Hello everyone, in the last video we created a Supabase account and set up our project. Now let's actually create our first table and add some real data to it. By the end of this video you will have working table that you can query and use in your app. Open your Supabase project dashboard and on the left side click on the table editor, right? This is where you will visualize, create and manage your database table. No SQL requires. We will look at the option 2 a bit later in this series. So first of all, click on the create new table. First it give you a table name. For example, we can give it a something like a to-dos, because we are building a basic to-do list example. Now you will see already have a few default columns. Here you can see ID columns, which is unique number for each row, and created at, which automatically record when a row was added. You don't need to touch these. Below that, click add create column. Here you can click add create column and let's add one called, for example, title, and then we can choose the type. So here we can choose the type. So definitely we will choose the type here as a text value. So you can find here like a text value and you can keep it null. And another column we can add here, click on add button, and here we can write like a completed, and we can choose it boolean. So here you can choose it boolean, here you can choose it boolean, and here is it's go. Once that's set, click save to create the table. Simple. Here we will come and click save button, and once we will click, it will generate our table with the name of to-do list. Now that table exists, let's add real data. Click insert. Here you can see the button of the insert. Click insert, and here you can see insert row, insert column, import data from the CSV, right? Once you will click on the insert, definitely you can click on the insert now, and once you will go here you can put some ID. Definitely it will generate automatically. Created date, it will take default, and then we can add some title which actually we want to add. In the title field, definitely we can add, for example, Supabase learning, for example, and for this purpose we can keep it false, right? Once we will set these value, we can click on the save button. So once we will save, we can see our data inside this table. So you can see the real data inside our table. So that's it. You just created a real table in production grade PostgreSQL database without writing a single line of code. The same table is now ready to be connected to any app, web, mobile, whatever you are building using Supabase Instant API. In the next video, I will show you how we can get the Supabase database credentials and project URLs. And if this helped, subscribe so you don't miss it, and let me know in the comment what kind of app you are planning to build with this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.